Hello, my name is Hunter Rustad, and this is my final project for Web Programming 1. This is my website. It's called Reviewing the Kingdom. It is a fan page / review site for the Kingdom Hearts video game franchise. This is my landing page, which has a form that gathers input, your first name, last name, gender, email, and a radio button to get other offers by mail or email. And here is the header. We have the site name, Reviewing the Kingdom. Here's the navigation, home, series, contact, and account. When you click on account, there's a drop down controlled by JavaScript and jQuery. Here is my footer with my contact information, social media links, and my copyright information. Now we'll go to the home page. Here's the home page. It has a description of the site, a sidebar with 5 video game walkthrough sites, a picture of a keyblade that I made with Photoshop. Next, I will go to the contact page. Here's the contact form I made. Takes first name, last name, email, the subject of your message, and it submits it. Here in the account, here's the login page used to log in. The register page used to register to get login credentials. And a logout button. Unfortunately, it seems very difficult or perhaps impossible to be able to connect to the database on the web hosting for students using PHP. I was unable to do that, so unfortunately I couldn't use PHP to do all of my login stuff, to store the actual credentials and access them, so they don't exactly work, they just redirect you upon completion. Here's the series page. I made this heart in Photoshop. And here is a table of series info. Some of these ones with the release date, you'll see the name, the release date, the system it's released on, rating, and here's a link to the review pages I've made. And you'll see some don't have the date. That's because they were released on multiple dates that I cover on the review page, along with being released on multiple systems. I will click on a link to show you. And so this is what each of the series content pages look like. Each of those links bring you to a page. It's very similar to this. They all have this red heart image I made in Photoshop, along with the title of the game, a box with the description that I wrote, and a box with the review that I wrote. And we'll go back, and you can see they all basically look the same. And that is it. I'd like to thank you for viewing my final project, and have a good day.